In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your WordPress website from your local host to something free for live, something like Netlify. So let's get started. All you have to do is to go to your WP dashboard. So this is completely hosted in locally, all right, and you have to install one plugin. So go to plugin section, and this is the plugin called Static. Go to add new and search for this plugin Static Site Generator. Static allows you to generate and deploy an optimized static version of your WordPress site. If you want more detail, you can check it out their website. Let's say plugin homepage. There we go. So this website alone is also utilizing the static version of the WordPress. This is the complete thing is actually hosted on HTML version of a site. Okay, so what is WordPress less free? So you can see what is the benefit of it. It's a blazing fast, bulletproof, always available, full WordPress experience. How it works is like you just have to click publication. The best part is that you can deploy it. Okay, let me show you. When you go to build, you see all the settings. In your deployment, you see I've selected Netlify. You can also select zip file or local directly or Amazon S3. The beauty, okay. They have also the static static premium, where they have some premium features, but you have deployment. Now how could you do that? Once you simply install, you can see the static thing over here. You just simply have to click on publish. So let me show you. Let me go for local directory, and I want to choose to host, upload, deploy content, public, Landify. Okay, generate SD file, provide actual. Okay, let's generate it and generate any rules providing actual HTTP product. Let's do this. Simply copy, upload, simply one Linux or copy on window will complete upload directly directory. This makes sure every upload is available and greatly improve the build time. Let's do this. Let's save changes and click on static and publish. Now this will take some time. Definitely showcase the it's showcasing right now the message. It's now, since it's the local, so it will work a little bit faster, but it will take some time. And this is also preparing your complete website in the local host in the HTML format, but in the local host, and then you can manually upload that file to somewhere like Netlify or maybe on GitHub page. That will be fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't know about this plugin, which is static, is I think it's very nice and very innovative plugins. By the way, the biggest advantage of this plugin is that you don't have to buy domain and you don't have to buy either also hosting. Now, talking about hosting, somehow I can like hosting, because hosting, if you're buying hosting, the hosting company is actually saving all of files somewhere in the cloud. But I'm not really a fan of buying domain, because you're not buying domain, you're just renting domain. So if you're renting domain, you have to pay the rent again in the next year, the same price. It's not less, the same price. So I'm very against of the term called domain buying and domain renting and hosting, of course. So if your business is very new, you should be not buying any hosting at all. I know this. So for that purpose, you can look up something like this called changing your WordPress into this static and hosting all the files somewhere like Netlify maybe, or GitHub pages. This is completely free. You get a free subdomain, which is also fine if you want to promote something. Let's say you're making a landing page, of course, and you're just making it on a WordPress, because WordPress has a very complex system, very easy system. You can install Elementor or Busy or Beaver Builder, and you can make a landing page, whatever pages you made. Then now you can export everything in HTML with using the static, and then you can upload on the Netlify or GitHub pages. How cool is that? See you in the next one. I think it's gonna take some time.